I wanted to ask you, is the door of ijtihad still open or is it closed? Because if there is some room for ijtihad even now, then what are the limitations to it?
Well, Ijtihad will remain open until the last day.
Okay.
People will make Ijtihad, even as individuals, as to what to do,
Right.
depending on the amount of knowledge that you have. Okay. That will determine to what degree you can make Ijtihad. If your percentage of knowledge is very low, then your ability to make Ijtihad will be also very limited.
Yes.
The greater your availability of knowledge, either of the Qur'an and Sunnah or of the statements and actions of the Sahaba and the Tabi'een and Tabi'ut Tabi'een, the students of the Sahaba and their students. And we can say in general that there really is only one acceptable madhab, one acceptable school of thought, which is the school of thought of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is just to keep it simple. That there's just that school of thought.
Then what about the other school of thoughts?
I'm saying, to keep it simple,
Okay.
that is the fundamental school of thought.
Indeed. That's true. That's true.
Those who came after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sought to follow the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or those after them sought to follow those before them. So we can say Imam Abu Hanifa followed the school of thought of
The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes.
As it was conveyed to them, or to him, by the Sahaba.
Right.
So it's generation after generation, precedence being the first generation, the first source of wahi or revelation. This is what determines now what level of legislation can we extract from a saying or an action or a decision made by the earlier generations.
That's right.